Hey guys, we are back. Another day, another new haircut. As you can see here. And this is the update on the Satria R3, where it's progressing. For you, it's been probably a day or two since the last video. But here, it has been about a couple of days. And Satria is here. Let's see an update on the car. Wah, uncle. Turun bawah buat ah.
Ha?
Fuyo. Kesian you lah.
Ini seat cara angkat pergi buat.
Saya suruh angkat. Okay, the seats are out here. They're gonna get refurbished. Let me call the guy to collect it. Uncle is down there. Tengok uncle, wah. Buka semua. Uncle expert lah.
Sebab tipu punya kerja
Tak
lah.
apa tipu. So we're doing everything. The skirting is coming out, as you can see there. Body work, getting it all lined up, making it all clear. We're taking every single panel out. Whatever I can buy, I'm gonna buy. Whatever I can't buy, I'm going to refurbish it. Like all these panels over here, all the plastic trim bits, all new, if I can find one. Even the bonnet, as you can see there, I've ordered a brand new bonnet. The bonnet is there. It's gonna go in to replace the carbon fiber bonnet there. This is actually a fiber below and a carbon fiber on top. So fiber mold, fiber bone, and carbon fiber on top. Maybe it's a coating, I'm not sure, but it's carbon fiber. Quite light actually. Okay. Whole front is out, as you can see there. No accident, I think so. Looks legit. What else? Yeah, everything looks legit. You know, you can see the stitch from factory. See how close together they stitched it. The stitching from factory. It's very close, very tight. All these are meant to reinforce the chassis. Beautiful, isn't it? As you can see here, if you see along the side, there's one here, there's one here, there's one here, there's one here, and the paint covered it, but all these are the original seam, original spot weld from factory. Over here is much clearer. You know, so yeah, it's a R3 that's being put out of its misery so it can come back alive like a phoenix, all brand new. I can't wait, man. Fantastic, isn't it? Look at that. All the parts are out, all the cladding is out, bumper will get out also. Yeah. Even here, I don't know, the R3 build has me more excited than any other build in recent times because this is definitely a Malaysian masterpiece. And Merdeka on the corner. I don't think for Merdeka car already, but for Hari Merdeka, this is my present to myself. Being a Malaysian, being a proud Malaysian of what Malaysia is, and definitely one of the better products that Malaysia has offered. And I think this is definitely the best Proton ever made. Satria R3 Gen 1 205. Hey bang, look at that. Cheers guys, this is me again from Plus, saying, what do I say? Go out there and have a little more fun. Cheers guys.